Hi, welcome to the world of English, and welcome to Camglish.com. Once again, this is Liza. I am glad that I am here to help you to make known and be knowledgeable about English. We will learn many things using this book, English Reading Starter 1. Come and join me learning the essential information in this book. Okay, as you can see this one, this is the front page of this book. Okay, so we will learn new things about science. Let's see how science influences the life of the people. Let's start. Okay, as you can see here, we are going to cover Unit 1, and we will talk about desert. Do you know what desert is? Okay. You know, when people think of desert, the following image comes to their minds. Or hot, dry place, and arid land. Vast expanses of sand, soil of reddish-brown color, a sky of brilliant blue, or very few plants, cacti, spiny leaves, and camel is the only animal that they can think. And those things are true. Other people say that desert occupies about the 1/5 to 1/3 of the Earth's surface. The rainfall pattern is not a seasonal one. Instead, rain usually falls in the form of sudden violent thunderstorms. So for further information, let's read the following guidelines here. Okay, I will read this first. I will read this slowly, and you will just read after me. Okay? Let's begin. The desert is a very hot and dry place. Where is the biggest desert in the world? Africa has the desert, or has the biggest desert in the world. And the name of the desert is the Sahara. About 4 million people live near the Sahara, but it has only 5 inches of rain every year. What a dry place it is. Now, we will read this in a fast pace. The desert is a very hot and dry place. Where is the biggest desert in the world? Africa is the biggest desert in the world, and the name of the desert is Sahara. About 4 million people live near the Sahara, but it has only 5 inches of rain every year. What a dry place it is. Okay, are you now ready to move to the exercises? We will do an activity. Okay, as you can see here, the first activity is this one. You will answer this by just picking up T or F. T stands for true and F stands for false. Now, let's read. There is no water in the desert. Is it true or false? Yes, the answer is false. Very good. But why? Because the desert is a very hot and dry place. And because of that, there is no water in the desert. Next, the Sahara is the biggest desert. Is it true or false? Yes, it's true. Because Sahara is the biggest desert in the world. And you can find it in Africa. Okay, good. Now let's move to the last part. No one lives in a desert. Is it true or false? What do you think? Yes, it's false. Why? Because there are people live near the Sahara. Of course, they can still survive. So the answer is false. Okay, very good. So now, let's read the following words here. We have words here to know. Now, children, I want you to repeat after me as I read the words. We have desert. Say desert. We have hot, dry, place, biggest, world, name, million. Very good. Now let's read again. In a fast pace. Desert, hot, dry, place, biggest, world, name, and million. Okay, so let's move to this part. More to know. So there are words here that are being used in these sentences, but you can find the words here. But we will learn more things about this. A desert is a dry place. A desert is a dry place. Lastly, a jungle is a wet place. A jungle is a wet place. Okay, so there you have it. We have successfully ended our lesson for today. Thank you for joining me again. Everyone has a desire to learn new things, so if you want, you should strive to develop your study habit by having access to information that presents a better understanding of English. And if you wish to learn more about English, I am urging you to study at EnglishReadingStarter1. Just visit our website and get well informed from all areas of English. Once again, this is Liza from EnglishReadingStarter1. See you on our next video. Goodbye.